Hello and welcome to our video on AD code registration. My name is Deepika and I will be guiding you through the process. Let's get started. If you are a business owner worried about the complexity of AD code compliance, don't stress. Here's the simple guide to help you navigate this essential regulation smoothly. So, let's understand what is AD code. AD code or Authorized Dealer Code is a critical requirement under the Foreign Exchange Management Act for Indian companies engaged in importing and exporting goods and services. If your business involves cross-border trades, it's vital to understand and comply with AD code regulation. This code is issued by authorized dealers such as bank to businesses engaging in foreign exchange transactions. It serves as an identification number for your business in the eyes of RBI, enabling seamless tracking and documentation of foreign trade transactions. The AD code system was introduced to streamline external trade and simplify reporting requirements. So let's understand why AD code registration is necessary. Who needs an AD code? Essentially, any importer or exporter conducting foreign exchange transactions must have one. Here's why you must register for AD code. Comply with RBI and FEMA regulations and avoid legal penalties to ensure smooth and hassle-free custom clearance and foreign exchange dealings, to streamline payment processing and banks during imports and exports, to maintain transparent and accurate records of foreign trades for audits and reports, and importantly, to build credibility and trust with partners and regulatory authorities. Now, let's look at the paperwork you will need to get your AD code. Business registration certificate or GST certificate, PAN card of the business entity, IEC issued by DGFT, latest bank statements or proof of current foreign exchange transactions, details of authorized signatory with Aadhaar card and PAN card, any trade licenses or export-import permissions if applicable. Having these documents handy will expedite your AD code registration process. How Falcon helps with AD code registration? Wondering how to handle the AD code process without headaches? That's where Falcon steps in. Our team breaks down the complex rules into simple steps tailored for your business. We gather, review, and organize all necessary documents to prepare your registration. We manage the complete online filing and follow up with banks and regulatory fodder. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do registration step by step.
In this video, we will talk about the ICEGATE website registration and AD code registration process. To register on the ICEGATE website, you first have to register for a user ID and password. To begin, you need to open the ICEGATE website. Once the website opens, you will see an option for login and sign up. Click on this option. When you click, you will see two options: continue using reference ID and refresh registration. If you have already registered a reference ID, you can select the first option and continue the process by entering your reference ID. If you haven't generated a reference ID yet, you need to select the role category. Here you have to select importer or exporter and then click proceed. When you click proceed, you will see the enter two details, your IC and GST certificate. After entering these details, click on proceed. On the next page, you will see a section of details of organization. Here you need to select your company type, for example, proprietorship, partnership, private limited, LLP. After uploading the necessary documents, you will see the option save as a draft. Click on it and then click next. A new page for authorized signatory details will open. Here you need to enter the name of the authorized signatory. After entering the PAN and Aadhaar details, click validate. You're uploading your Aadhaar and PAN. Click here to upload DSC. You need to have your digital signature attached to your system. A window will open showing your certificate. Select it and click OK. You will then get a message that says DSC updated successfully. Next, click on the preview option to review the details you have filled in. If everything is correct, click the submit option. Your application will be successfully submitted and will go to ICEGATE for approval. After 1 or 2 days, your user ID and password will be sent to your email once the application is approved. After receiving your user ID and password from ICEGATE, you can log in to your account. You can log in by entering your user and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard on this site. To add a bank account, click on Add Bank Account. First, you need to enter your bank's IFSC code and then click on Get Details. The bank details will be populated automatically. Next, enter your bank account number. For the document type, you can select bank letter certificate. You need to upload a single PDF file of both documents. Click Attach, select the file and click Verify. Once the file is uploaded, an IRN import related number will be generated. After clicking on Submit, you will get two options to verify the OTP, mobile and email. Select one, enter the OTP you receive and click Submit. Your application will be submitted and the status will be system pending. It usually gets approved within 1 or 2 days and the same status will change to approved.
And that's it. Follow these steps to complete your AD code registration hassle free and contact Falcon to register AD code for you. Thank you.